Today, first time in a very long time, after 30 days, I'm getting into the kitchen. I'm going to make some soup today, combination of beef soup with chicken. Yes, beef soup with chicken parts. Alright, so the water has been boiled, and I'm scalding out the beef. Yes, I'm scalding out the beef with some hot water. Alright, so now I'm going to put this in the pot of boiling water. Beef in. It's a combination of beef and chicken soup combination. But first I'm putting the beef in. Alright, I'm going to pour some boiling hot water and the chicken. I'm going to scald the chicken as well. Just sanitize and get some of the chemical and all that stuff out. Leave it for a while. I'm going to put some garlic, crushed up garlic on the side. I'm going to make the soup quick. So that's the beef. In about 5 minutes, I'm going to add the chicken in, and then after that, I'm going to get ready, start putting in the necessary provisions inside of the soup is to get this going. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. First meal in over 30 days. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add some sea salt. Add some sea salt inside of the pot. It's for the cooking to the meat. It's like priming the soup for the final finishing and the seasoning and the remaining ingredients. So while the meat cooks, yes, the meat will absorb all the flavors of the various spices. Alright, so now I'm going to add some scallion in there as well. I'm just going to twist them up. Alright, twist them up and drop them inside. Scald the chicken off. So now I'm going to add the chicken to the beef. Yes. So you saw me put some scallion and garlic in and some sea salt. So now I'm going to cut up some tomatoes in here. There's some tomatoes, I'm going to cut it up. Yes. Can boil and cook in the meat. While the meat cooks, then I'm going to add the foods that I'm going to use for the soup. I'm just going to use some yellow yam and some carrot and some Irish, and that's it, nothing else going in the soup. You're watching Winston and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. This is yellow yam. Jamaican yellow yam peeling that I'm going to put into the soup. It's the beef and chicken soup combination. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So I'm peeling so I can slice it up and put it in the soup. the onions in. And add some green bananas to give it flavor and texture. Peel some green bananas. Yes, I'm adding green bananas into the soup. You're watching Winston Joe. And discover TV on YouTube. Add some green bananas and corn. Camera cinematographer, burn up the cinematographer. Flour dumpling in the soup. Irish potatoes in here, and then I have some carrots to go in, and then that will be the last of it. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So now I'm going to add some spices and some onion scallion. Top it off. I'm going to add some chicken flavor, Maggi. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube. This soup is smelling wonderful. It's wonderful. Smells amazing. You're watching Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube. Alright, so I'm going to turn the stove off and then share some out and have my dinner. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Yes, and please support this video. This is my first real cooking in over 30 days since my illness. Yes, my first full, meal being cooked since my illness over 30 days. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Thank you to all my supporters. Thank you for all your well wishes. Thank you for all your love and your concern and your care for me. I really appreciate that very much. Thank you, one and all. Namaste. Shukriya. Salamat. Shukran. Terima kasih. Thank you, everyone. Much love. Alright, I'm going to share my dinner. Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube platform. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. So this is my dinner. Alright, so I'm going to sit down and enjoy this wonderful, delightful meal that I've made for the very first time in over 30 days. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube. Alright, so this is my beef and chicken soup. So this is my dinner for today, my first very first meal since being sick. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you on the next cooking adventure.